Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ACB. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Tuesday, and so that is where this green line here is coming from, and that's very significant because that was representing a level where the bulls, they tried their best. I mean, the price went sideways, 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 including today quite a bit. And then mid-afternoon, you can see right there, the bulls finally surrendered that level, and that is essentially what opened up the floodgates, and down the price went from there. So from a technical point of view, a very significant break to the downside. And, as would be expected with a break of such a very important level of support, there was a whole lot of downwards momentum where the price, almost moved 10 cents. And maybe that doesn't sound like a lot, but you got to keep in mind when we're talking about a stock that's below $1, 10 cents adds up very quickly. And that's what happened here. But this is also where the key update comes into play now. And this update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So 95 cents is going to be the newest area of resistance if there is any sort of attempted bounce back to the upside. If the price can get up there and then break through that level, the next key overarching level, as I've talked about several times in past videos, is going to be that purple line right there, the 50-period moving average. That is currently valued at $1.03. As far as areas of support are concerned, nothing fancy here, nothing complicated at all, other than the fact of the bleeding finally stopped today, right down there at the, I'm going to give it a little wiggle room and just call it 84 cents. So 84 cents will be that main level of support going forward. Like I said, so for no fancy reasoning other than that's just where this downwards momentum finally stopped and the price got some sideways price movement right there. But yeah, all in all, the downtrend continues, and you got to think that this thing's going to have a nice solid bounce in it at some point. But you also have to acknowledge the fact that's in a big downtrend. So as always, manage risk and make sure you tread carefully. But we'll see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.